So welcome guys, we are going to talk about adhesion in this video. Actually, we enable or disable adhesion by depth control, and we can restrict the adhesion to the upper surface only of our liquid surface. We have this control range, which is just the distance from the fluid surface. So particles within this distance from the fluid surface will undergo adhesion. So if a particle has distance of 0.6 or less than 0.6, it will undergo adhesion. This of velocity angle. The velocity angle is just the angle between your velocity and the surface normal. Surface normal is just a vector perpendicular to the liquid surface, and the velocity is just the direction of the speed or the direction of movement. Okay, so if you just have this angle here, velocity angle less than this, if you just have the velocity angle larger than this number here, in this case it's just 30, your adhesion will be applied. And if your velocity angle is less than 30, your adhesion will not be applied. And this was written in an unusual way, and in the description here. Depth control is disabled if the angle between the velocity and surface normal is no larger, which means smaller than this value. If it's smaller for this value, this adhesion will not be applied, depending on the depth control, as we have said. And actually, you can increase or decrease the adhesion at some point here in the range of depth by this ramp here. Okay. Actually, I have made different tests with different control ranges. Let me see. Let me show you these tests. And as you can see here, this is adhesion of 2, and this is here depth control or range control range of 2. Okay, so particles within distance of 2 will undergo the adhesion forces and will be adhered to the surface of our fluid. And actually, these blue particles is represent here our fluid. Okay, so as you can see here, more particles adhere to the surface of fluid because the control range is larger. And as you can see here, more particles here are just shooting upwards here without being adhered to the surface. Okay, so you can use this if you just want to get a very adherent foam to your surface for somehow, or if it's just the case in your reference. And actually, I leave this to its default, and I don't play with it a lot. Actually, you will see the numbers that I've used in my simulation. I didn't change a lot of parameters, and I'll show you these numbers in the next videos. Now we still have the forces tab, and I will show you these parameters in the next video. Thank you.